If you've never made egusi soup like this, you are missing out. This is the best egusi soup you ever taste. Very creamy, rich, bursting with flavor. And guess what? You've been making it wrong. But don't worry, I'll show you. I'll show you the secret to making this egusi like a pro. So here I'm trying to wash the pomo. That's the cow skin. I'm trying to wash them. They are the dried ones. So I just soak them for like 8 hours, or you can soak it overnight and then wash with iron sponge. This is the black fish. It's a catfish. It tastes so good in soups. It tastes really, really good. So this one, I just put salt in the water and soaked it for like 5 minutes. So I soaked it so that it can soften. And then at this time, I was already taking out. That head there is almost useless because I don't use the head. I don't use that head. And that's the biggest part of the body. Can you imagine? But the skin itself, the fish itself is so sweet. It's so sweet. So just try to take out the head, take out all the bones. And it has dirt, so it has ants and co inside. Just wash it very well and keep aside. Then that's the fish I already made. That's the onions. This one is the stockfish. I don't know why this picture quality is not doing justice. So this is the egusi. That egusi is having that color because it already has pepper and crayfish grinded with it. It's part of the stuff my sister sent to me from Nigeria 2 weeks ago. So here, this is a very, very important step. So that's the grated onions that I poured into the egusi. Mix it, mix and mix. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you one secret. Let's just keep going. So if you like this video, please do well to like and subscribe at this point. That is that's the spinach that I washed. I like to put my palm oil in a bowl like this, because we live in a cold country. So, and if it's in the bottle form, it takes long to get it out. So I like to put it in the ice cream bowl. That's the iru, that's the locust beans. I washed it twice. That's the second time I'm washing it. I washed it twice. Now I've put the palm oil in the pots and I'm putting the iru, the locust beans. Oh, just try putting these locust beans first, then put your onions. Oh, it is heavenly. These onions, I was supposed to have sliced it down, but I totally forgot, so I'm just slicing it now. So what's in the pot now is the locust beans, the onions that I'm slicing. So, but you can slice yours down so it can make, that makes life easier for you. So I just finished slicing the onions. Then I'm going to put crayfish. So this is the crayfish I'm putting. I'll put, 1.5 spoons of crayfish so it can bring out that flavor. Ooh, that flavor. From this time on, your kitchen is already giving you a hand. So that's the mixed pepper. So I had little mixed pepper that I added. It wasn't that much. It was not that much, so I just added mixed pepper. That's a combination of tatache and red bell pepper. You can add tomatoes as well. It doesn't matter. So here I'm putting salt to taste, and then just mix up. Mix it and mix it so they can all marry together. Yeah. So at this point, I was happy. I was already happy and excited. Look at me dancing. Yeah. So I've mixed the onions and egusi. This is a secret recipe. This combination, this onion and egusi mixed together. Oh, after making this food, don't forget, if you make this my recipe, don't just forget to send a message to me and thank me, because I know you will thank me. I know you're gonna thank me because this is one secret recipe. You're gonna thank me later, yeah? So if you want, for me, I don't want lumps in my egusi because my children don't like lumps. So I have to mix it together. I have to really mix it. At this point, the kitchen was already smelling heavenly. Heavenly. My husband was already moving from one chair to...
This is so inspiring. When I grow up, I'm gonna watch all your videos so I can make all the foods.
Stock, meat stock, you can add it. This my meat, it was already, done, fried already. So I don't have any stock. So now that's the fish. That's the catfish already done. This is the stock fish. So I'm just putting everything together. Can you believe if I tell you that this chicken is straight from Nigeria? I was craving chicken, Nigerian chicken. So my sister sent it to me. It was fried, dried very well, and sent to me straight from Nigeria. So that's why I don't have any meat stock. But you can use water and season your stock, season the soup very well. If you are using water, you season your soup very well. It's gonna come out delish, fantastic. Yeah, this is another batch. That egusi is very thick. The dry egusi is so thick, so it requires some water, which I am adding. Just add the water little at a time. Then this is the seasoning cube. I like my Knorr chicken. I love my Knorr chicken. I love it. This is part of what I received from Nigeria because I just received my cargo. I ordered some things from Nigeria, which I just received. So this, I bought 5 packs of Knorr chicken. That's part of it. Even the meat, that beef you're looking at, is from Nigeria as well. I bought it. I shared goats from Nigeria. It was cooked, dried properly, seasoned and dried properly. Look at me now turning the... So this pomo, I'm not going to add this pomo anymore because it's too late. It's too late to add it. I would have cooked it before adding it, but I couldn't. There was no time to do that. So now, here is the spinach that I already sliced. I'm adding the spinach. Egusi soup doesn't really take long. Egusi is very nutritious. The spinach contains lots of vitamins, lots of nutrients. And then when you put the spinach on fire, just reduce the heat so it doesn't break down all the nutrients that we are supposed to have. This is palm oil. Feel free to add your palm oil. We already have a very hot pot of soup, so it's okay to add the palm. When you add this palm oil, it would marry together. It would melt, and it will be ready in no time. Forget those people that say, oh, it will still be tasting in your mouth. No way. You already have a hot pot of soup. Everything in the pot is very hot. So it's going to melt the palm oil, cook it properly. Within these few minutes, you added it. So just turn the vegetable, stir it properly. Have a taste if you want. Feel free to have a taste. At this point, it was tasting good. My husband was like, he was sitting behind. He was like, hope this aroma would feature in this your video. Then this egusi, I've not unpacked. I've not poured it in a bowl. So it's still in the Ziploc. So I added 3 or 4 spoons of the crayfish. Well, that's what I meant, crayfish, I mean. So added the crayfish, reduce the volume, the heat, close for a bit, few minutes, open it again. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is looking so appetizing. I'm already imagining this with white rice, with yam, with dodo, with amala, fufu, eba. You can eat this soup with anything, just anything. It looks so good. It tastes so good as well. This soup is number one. This is the most popular soup. Look at that. Can you see? So I made yellow eba and I can't even wait to taste it. I can't wait. Even my daughter making this video was like, I want to have mine. Where is mine? So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and follow me, watch more videos. Thank you.